Hey you guys, today I decided to repurpose some pictures that I had and do away with some picture frame. So I had some older canvases that I was deciding on whether I was going to recover them or if I was going to throw them away. So I decided to go ahead and just take the covering off. And as you can see, this is just a fabric and I'm just kind of popping it off. And of course I have to be careful and remove any extra staples that come up from it. And I'm just going to use some scissors to do that. And I'm just using some regular black acrylic paint. And I will take that paint and paint the edges at first. So generally, I only have to do the edges based on the size of the picture. But because these are smaller prints that I'm just going to go ahead and join together on this one canvas, I'm going to turn it sideways and do it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and paint the edges with black paint, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the entire canvas, and then I will let it dry. Once the canvas completely dries, I go ahead and add my Mod Podge. I got the glossy one because I didn't want the matte looking finish. So yeah, I do have a lot up here. However, trust the process. I'm just going to move it out evenly because I just put a glob of it, and yeah, that's my fault. So I'm going to place the pictures where I think they will look nice, and I feel like they're pretty centered. And these are two pictures of my adult sons when they were babies. Yeah, time does fly. But anyway, this is a great way to go ahead and use those pictures and add them to the wall. I started my process of getting rid of frames a while ago, so yeah, I'm picking it back up now. So as you can see, I'm starting to add some of the glossy Mod Podge to the picture. Trust the process. Now, this is much better with a sponge brush. And like I said, I'm just going to put it all up here because all of it is going to dry clearly. But again, I'm just going to take my time and go over that. And once everything dries, it's ready to go. I'm just going to add the glue to the entire canvas. And if you want, you can go and add another coat, but I'm pretty good here. You can add little decorations or whatever, but I just like the black look. And yeah, this is something I've been doing to my pictures for a while. I hope you guys enjoy it.